as I said, this one is a windmill design. A windmill captures wind energy and uses a generator to convert it to electrical energy. There's a wind blowing, so we're going to attach a generator to it, to the windmill, so it can convert it into electrical energy. So we can say it was just the beginning of the we can say it was just the beginning of the advanced wind turbines that we have now. So let's see the size and application. We have small wind turbines. We have small wind energy sources. First one is this one. We have intermediate. We have large. The smalls are like less than 10 kilowatt. Intermediate is like from 10 up to 250 kilowatt. These things are used for homes, farms, remote applications, and the intermediate ones are used for village power, hybrid systems, distributed power. And if we see here large 660 kilowatt up to 2 and above megawatt for central station wind farms, distributed power, and community wind. These are just like to give you an introduction for the size and applications. So how does a wind turbine work? Just simple concept. This is what wind is flowing here, right? So we have the rotor or the blades here, right? When the wind flows, these blades start to rotate, right? They start to rotate. Then there is a shaft which is we have here. Normally we have gearbox here, main shaft with a gearbox in which we can multiply the speed, or if we need it, if the demand is high, we can multiply the speed through the gearbox. If the demand is low, we can even reduce the speed of the power that we send to the generator. So we have the shaft with the gearbox. So we have here the gearbox. Then we're going to get the electrical energy that we need through the transmission lines that we were mentioning before. The simple concept, right? In order to make it more clear, you can see there's wind direction. This one is the rotor. We have the rotor plate. We have rotor diameter, and as you can see, we have shaft. There's a gearbox. As I said before, when the demand is high, you need to control the speed, right? When the demand is high, you can make the speed higher. You can control the speed through this. When the demand is low, you can even reduce the speed. So this gearbox is it for increasing and decreasing the speed. We have generator here. Yeah, this one is just this axis, so where the rotor rotates. We have the support tower here. So we call this one horizontal turbine. Yeah, because this thing is placed in the what we call mainly we call this horizontal turbine. Gamma point, right? Because it rotates like this. Gamma point. So if we go here into this one is what? Vertical turbine. We have the rotor diameter here, and this one is the rotor. As you can see, the rotors are installed like this. So we have the gearbox here. We have support tower. This one is what? Vertical turbine. So we have the vertical axis of the blade. So when the blade rotates, we have the gearbox attached with shaft. When the shaft rotates, there is a gearbox attached to the generator, so it will rotate, or the gearbox will rotate and it will initiate the power in this generator. So we can use it through transmission lines or through other things.